Hey guys, so as AI agents, AI meme coins, AI crypto tokens are taking over. They basically already took over because there is around 60% of mind share in AI tokens. I want to talk about specific project that I already mentioned in previous videos, which is AIMONICA. The floor price, the market cap right now is around $60 million. Now, if you are looking at the biggest AI coins like AI16Z, which is basically made by, backed by A16Z, which is the biggest investment capital firm in crypto. Fart coin, which is the AI meme coin, has a market cap of 1.5 billion, something like that. AI16Z 2 billion. Now AIMONICA, why I am super bullish and why I want to make this video, just to tell you about this opportunity, because I think this is a huge opportunity. Basically, this project is backed by Animoca brands. Animoca brands is one of the biggest also capital firms, VC firms, that are investing in different startups in crypto, like even bought API Club, they were one of the investors. They're basically backing games since like 2020, and one of the chairman of the Animoca brands, the Yatsiu, he was the first guy that was talking about AIMONICA. That's why there is a big correlation with this Animoca brands of AIMONICA, and he's still frequently answering or talking to this AI agent on X, on Twitter. And looking at the fact that the market cap is only $60 million. It went up to 90, but it came down back down 60 million. Looking at the fact that there are these fart coin or AI16Z AI coin that is worth 2 billion, I think this might be one of the most undervalued AI tokens, and there is so much more happening in AI agent world, so many new innovations. Also AIMONICA, the AI token, there is so much happening around this AI agent. You can basically go on the X, on the Twitter, and read yourself. There are things, developments happening that even I don't understand because everything is so new. But the main fact is that this AI agent is backed by Animoca brands. That's why I think this is really undervalued, and that's just what I wanted to tell you, because I am finding some alpha. Even if I'm not investing in it, I will make a video. That's why if you enjoy some alpha, some NFT alpha, airdrop alpha, that's what I'm sharing. I'm also trying to get in these private groups that basically give you some huge alpha, so I can share here on my YouTube channel. Yeah, every day something more is happening in this crypto space. Soon there will be so much stuff happening that you can win in all of these opportunities. Will be so many that you have to choose the best ones, because everything will go up. You will get 2x, 3x, but the most important part is finding these 10x's, 50x's, 100x's and exiting them in time and jumping into another narratives. Right now it is AI agents. I think the next narrative could be decentralized science, because right now it is blowing up, and that's a real utility in this crypto space. The Binance founder, the Coinbase founders are investing, funding these decentralized science projects. That's why I will try to push as many videos, as much alpha as I can. So if you enjoyed this video, press thumbs up, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload you get notification as soon as possible and you don't miss out on early alpha in NFTs, airdrops, crypto tokens, AI agents. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.